Hey guys, it's Ben Sykes. Welcome to Tip Tuesday. Got an easy new feature to show you, but it should be very handy in case you ever need this. It's a new feature that was just released less than a week ago in our version 13.0.16, had been requested for a little while now. This is related to our caching system. Our caching system helps speed up the events and the layouts, all the configuration that we use a lot, saves us from having to continually reload that from the database, so saves a lot of time, helps with speed. The downside might be if you've got a breaking change in your configuration, maybe something was missed, and you want to make sure that that is immediately communicated to all the workstations running IndySoft right now, like in the middle of the workday. So rather than having to shout out to everybody, do a reload of cache or do a relogin of the software, now you can force that as an administrator to all the workstations. And even if they're not currently logged into the software, they'll be guaranteed to get it the next time that they log in. So very easy to do. It's just a right mouse click here from the logo in the upper left. New menu option for require immediate caching reload. So it'll give you a quick confirmation that runs down what I just explained to you there. And that's all you got to do. So the use case would be something has been modified. You immediately want to make sure everybody has this. So let's say we've got a new field that we've added in, alternate ID, and you've saved that, but you know that alternate ID is already in maybe some custom scripting that is live in the system. So you want to make sure that everyone is using that field right now in the software. So you can go here, require immediate caching reload. Everybody will get this within 60 seconds. So there's no interface associated with this from the other user's perspective. It's just within 60 seconds whenever there's an idle moment in the software. So they're not right in the middle of an event or some other type of modal dialogue. Then during that moment, the caching will be automatically reloaded. You might notice it'll say that in the caption bar of IndySoft, reloading from this new menu option. But besides that, it'll just happen. If you want an extra message to be added to it as an explanation of maybe what you just changed, then you could do that as a second option. So by clicking yes there, I just loaded in the forced cache reload. If I wanted an explanation of it, then I could use this other option, send system alert, and this has been in the software for a good while. This is just a message that would pop up. So we could say, whatever description we need of the modified interface. So that's entirely optional. So everybody that's logged in gets that change, and within 60 seconds, they also get that same optional alert if you had it. Or if they're not logged into the software, then the next time that they come in, they're guaranteed to get that reload of cache, and then optionally any other message that you tagged along with it. So that's it. Require immediate caching reload. Hope you guys have a great day.